Hello guys, in this video you will learn the steps to make money with affiliate marketing. So keep tuned and subscribe to my channel. Here I will tell you the step by step you need to create success for your business, either online or normal brick and mortar business. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave me a comment. It'd be really important for me to hear what you guys think. Step number 1, you have to pick a niche. This is a crucial point. You won't be able to be seen online if you don't pick a niche, because you cannot sell everything to everybody. Google and YouTube are search engines, and search engines, they work vertically, which means that the more specialized you are, the easiest it is for them to find you. So if you're specialized in a niche, it will be easier for YouTube or Google to find you and your offers. Therefore, they will put you in front of people, and so that way they can buy from you whatever you're offering. Okay, so it's really important. This point is crucial, to pick a niche. What niche? Well, there's 3 niches that are really big, which is wellness, which includes fitness, lose weight, all that is related to wellness. The second niche is dating, relationships, which means all the stuff that sell Viagra and dating tips, dating websites, all that stuff. And the third niche, which is in the one that I am, is make money online, which includes several different ways of making money. The one that I like is affiliate marketing, because you don't have to get inventory, or you don't have to, be mindful of storage or stuff like that, which I really like. So those are the 3 niches that are the biggest. The second step is to create content. It has to have 2 things. It has to be valuable, and it has to be helpful. Valuable, helpful, it is relative. I can say that what I'm doing right now is valuable because I'm giving you information, but some other people would say that, making some jokes and making you happy, it is valuable too. So whatever you find that is valuable, and most importantly, whatever your audience is looking for and they find as valuable, that's the kind of content that you have to make. Another important point, it is to create or to pick a product. I personally am selling a product that I like, and I'm going to leave you a link here so you can try it for free for 7 days. And it's awesome to create all kind of sales funnel and stuff that you need to do online marketing. So what you need to do is to find a product that suits for you. If the product that I'm suggesting, you like it, go ahead and and use it as your product. But it is important that you pick a product so you can create content around that product, and you can tell people what it is that product does, or how you can funnel people to that product so you can sell it. Okay, so this is a really, really important point. This is point number 3. Point number 4 is to create a bridge. What do I mean by a bridge? Well, basically, a bridge is a landing page. How does it work? When you click the link that you are promoting, instead of sending them directly to the product that you're promoting, send them to a landing page where they will give you their email. And how you do that? Well, you will give them a free book or something, or something that will lead them to the offer that they're interested. And they will, in order to lead them to there, they will have to give you their email. Once you have their email, you grant access to them to the product or freebie that you're giving them, and that way you get that email. So that way is basically a bridge between the content you created and the offer you're making. Between those two, the bridge is that landing page. is in the middle. Okay, that landing page that's in the middle, that's the bridge that you want to create, and that way you are capturing the email of the person that is interested in your offer. So you can keep on sending them emails. And why is important? Well, 70% of people likes to make a business through their emails. 70%, 70, okay, 70%. It's not a small number. Therefore, to have their email is really important. Another reason because it's important to have email, so you can keep on promoting your product. Now, you have to understand that 99 out of 100 people don't buy the first time. They just link, they might click, but they don't buy your product. Therefore, if you don't have a bridge that squeeze or get that email, if 99 people, you're going to be losing. You're not going to be able to promote the product to them, even when they were interested maybe the first time. Therefore, it is important that you get that email. Once you get that email, don't start selling them. Okay, they go to your landing page, you give them that freebie, and you send them right away an email, because they introduce their email, they send it to you, your autoresponder, and this is why it's important to have an autoresponder, and you have to have it. And I leave you a link with the autoresponder that I use, which is the same offer that I am promoting, because it has everything you need. That autoresponder, it is set up, they will receive immediately an email from you thanking them for reaching out and trying to learn more about the product that you are promoting. Okay. Once you have, if they don't buy, which is 99% of the people, if they don't buy the product, you will start sending them one email with value. You're not going to be selling anything, you're going to send them value. Then you're going to send them another email with more information and value about the product, but information. And then the third email, you're going to sell them your offer. And that's when you start selling. If they don't buy there, you send more value, more information, and do it again in another email. So we would be in the fifth email. In the email number 6, you send them another offer with a hard sell again. Okay. Therefore, this is a process that you can continue, forever. But let's say they buy from you. Well, that's even better, because if they buy from you, then you have their email, you have their information, and you can upsell them. And that's why it's important to have upsells. So the offer that you're promoting, it has to have upsells. Don't just promote an offer that you buy or you sell one thing and nothing else. No, you have to promote some other. It has to have some other stuff. For example, you might be interested in the offer that I'm offering, which is in the link before here. If you go there, you will be able to buy something. But after that, you will be able to sell or buy some other stuff. If it doesn't work like that, you shouldn't be promoting it. If does not allow you to have more than one product to sell, so a more expensive product to sell, you shouldn't promote it, because the more value you create for your client, the most he is willing to pay you. Therefore, you should be able to create or promote a product that has value ladder. Okay, so this point is key, is really key. If you do that, you're going to be able to increase the sales that you're having. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you like it. I hope you subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment of what do you think. And I remind you of the offer that I'm recommending you. Take a look at it. It is a really good one, and it can help you to increase your revenues by maybe 10,000, 20,000 a month. So it would be really, really beneficial for you. See you in the next one.